What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move multiple apps around on your app screen so you don't have to do it one by one on your iPhone. So this is actually quite simple. Just like you would normally when you want to move an app around, you will push it and hold it, then you'll wait till they become jiggly. You're going to use your other finger and you're going to select multiple apps. You can click on whatever ones you want, and as you see, it actually groups together those apps so you can move. I have 5 right now. I can move it all over to the next page and it moves all 5 just like that. So hopefully this little tip saves you a lot of time. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll definitely reply to you. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel so you can learn how to Apple without the E.